Hey, what's up, you Bohan Flames? King Bob is back with another video. Now this one, guys, I watched this last night, and it was like, and I laughed. Oh man, this was like one of my hardest laughs ever. I actually needed it last night. Anyways, if you can't tell already, this is Best in Class, and he is funny. Excuse me about that. I actually has chips and salsa. So if you guys hear me like going like a few times, just so you know, I had chips and salsa. And not only that, guys, I'm actually having a little bit of a cold, so I brought tissues or napkin. So I brought tissues with me. You're gonna hear me sniffing a lot as well, cause like I said, I have a cold. But anyways, without further ado, let's start. Now I'm reacting to like all three of them. Now all three of the videos is gonna be a guy that okay, so Best in Class and a few of, I don't know. Anyway, so Best in Class is literally making this one guy wheeze, and the pictures of it are so funny. What do you guys think of my biceps? Just kidding. I ain't that strong. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up. Let's start.
Almost 100 times, and it's hilarious. What you guys are hearing is us sitting in the lobby on Black Ops 2, and then we eventually join and get some reactions with my new voice changer voices that I use in this video. And it was kind of boring just watching us sit in the lobby, so I put World War II gameplay over the Black Ops 2 lobbies. And leave a like if you guys enjoy this, because I really loved making this video. This was so much fun. If you want, you can tell me how many times he actually wheezed in the comments. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll upload it on Tuesday and Thursday.
Like,
I
don't even know how many he did.
And yeah, enjoy the video.
Change your gamer tag to motherfucker who said I had Easter jelly beans.
Motherfucker who said I had Easter jelly beans?
Motherfucker, who said I had Easter jelly beans?
You should try to like sing a song and then just keep changing the pitch up and down.
Alright, oh, this my shit. All the girls like this.
It's so funny.
Fucking, like, Logic.
I only watched it like one time, so that's a good thing.
Yeah, like that, like.
My tank, don't you like my tank?
I love the horse he does. Like
do the Kendrick Lamar song. Sit down, drink. Stand up, drink.
hang on.
Drink.
Headshot.
Drink.
Do it.
Drink.
Stand up.
Drink.
Pass out.
Drink.
Wake up.
Drink.
Hello, thank you for calling AT&T customer support. What can I do for you? Sir, I can't help you with your raise. Sir, I will not touch your piano. I can only touch your modem. Sir, I have a secret to tell you. To make a long fucking story short, I put a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
To make a long fucking story short, I put a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
Like, dude, I'm just trying
that was the original? I was always curious what that was.
Right.
Hey, what does this sound like? I'm kind of turning it. I'm kind of like changing the parameters.
Oh,
of it.
dude.
What does it sound
Whoa. It's like a dubstep song. Dude, that was sick. It was like, ow.
Oh yeah.
A voice message. Listen to that shit. That's fire.
Wait, what do you hear right now? Wind?
That sounds like wind.
Oh, okay, it's just my fan. He's a fan of my videos. He watches. I just keep him in my corner of my room.
Funny as shit, dude.
Now, apparently I sound weird, but you little queer. I don't give a fucking shit.
Can't rap.
It's so fire.
Yo, I feel like fucking shooting my grandma with a fucking ray gun.
Whoa. Dude, that was actually pretty lit, dude, not gonna lie. Try to make gun sounds just be like pew, 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 and listen to that shit.
Pew, pew.
Why are you...
I have 24 different settings on this fucking thing, so here, let me do this one. Yo, guys, I just got a new mic. You guys like it?
What the fuck? Oh my god, what the fuck?
What's going on, guys?
Are you half white kid, half AK?
Fuck yeah, dude. I'm gonna motorboat your mom real quick.
Bro, I'm fucking tripping balls right now, bro.
Oh, what the hell, dude?
I took too many shrooms, bro.
so hot.
This is so.
Stop stop talking.
Fuck you, bro. Look, keep talking.
Why do you sound like you're
lagging?
It's so weird.
Bro.
Okay.
They're on sale for $3.49 in a Walmart, bro.
Oh, do the Halo theme song. Do the Halo theme song. Yes, that's so perfect, dude.
Yo, he does it perfect.
They call me Speech Jam. Cause that's speech.
My stomach!
Jam.
What's that?
I rap because I fucking gay and I'm all day in my ass like that's gay.
That's great.
Yeah,
you
it's like
actually
perfect,
sound
like,
like you're on some
connection
McDonald's
interruption.
Wi-Fi, dude.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna hit you my bitch.
You're the definition of a Windows error, dude. You're the voice. What was that? Oh my god.
You like that shit though, don't you?
I can't!
You like that shit, no, you.
Stop laughing, dude. Stop fucking
Dude, that sounds legit like you have a connect.
You just hear fucking Call of Duty gameplay in the background, just blasting on their fucking 50-inch old TV, just like. Hold up, what's happening?
Why is this so
It sounds
funny?
like a very, very shitty walkie-talkie, dude.
Enemy UAV inbound.
Yo! It sounds just like the Black Ops 1 version.
No, wait, hold on.
Enemy spy plane above.
Enemy spotted.
Counter-terrorist win.
Yo, he did it perfect.
Oh my gosh.
Lightning strike, ready for deployment.
Dude, that's good.
Yo, dude, that's perfect.
Why does it sound like I'm listening to you on an AM radio station?
Good morning to everybody. Thank you for tuning in.
Do the weather.
You're listening to 101.9 WJOL. Today's forecast is looking.
Dude, that's so good. Oh my god, dude.
No, dude. You're gonna make me cry. Please stop.
Do the radio station.
You're listening to 103.2 The Mist.
Dude, yes.
You know how they'll go like over? You should say that after you're done.
Dude, every time someone tries to talk to you in a game, they're like,
I'm dead!
you're like, shut up.
I'm dead!
I put a whole bag of jelly beans on my over. Few times been around that jet, so we stop the school like that over.
Just wanna let the other team know they're all gay.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking faggot, over.
Yo, do a Kermit voice. Do a Kermit voice.
Man, this is Kermit the Frog, you got a UAV inbound, over.
I'm about to die!
Ready for deployment. Just kidding, faggot, you can't even get a 3-kill streak, over.
At least top of the call.
Did you get that fucking Connect mic for Christmas, faggot, over.
What? Dude, I hate when you have an Asian announcer who's like, koye, koye.
And then you got fucking Ice Cube. Enemy UAV spotted!
Oh my god,
Yes, dude.
Enemy spy plane above.
The things I miss about Call of Duty Ghosts is the Snoop Dogg announcer, dude.
We lost the lead, you mark-ass trick!
I remember that, dude. Dude, that was so great. Holy shit, bro.
Dude, she's gonna fuck you.
Round loss? Are you fucking kidding me? You sound like a triggered feminist, dude. Stop. You should tell people they want a free PS4. They just have to give you their bank account information themselves.
Congratulations, you won a free PS4.
Yes, dude.
Round loss. We almost got this. Push forward.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
I can't breathe. That's so funny. That's so funny. Yes, it's this one.
Alright, Piano, you ready to wheeze?
Yeah, I'm ready, dude.
Because I got a new voice changer and it's got like 300 something new voices.
Yeah, dude, it's over.
Yeah, dude, it's over. Well, let's start out with the first one. Here we go.
Alright, yeah, I think I found the problem. What do I sound like? Give me like a sample.
You sound like someone that sits outside of a truck stop and asks for money.
It asks for money.
You have like that raspy homeless person voice.
Hey man, can I bum a cigarette?
Yo. Oh, are we back to some radio? Talkie.
Yo.
My name's Grace, and I've been smoking for 43 years.
Grace. Out of all the names,
I
Grace.
had to think of something old because she's been smoking for 43 years. She had to be at least like 15 when she started.
What the fuck is this?
Yo, this is Kanye with Auto-Tune. You need to report to the principal's office now, and I ain't fucking around.
This is a little different, I think.
You sound like an e-girl.
Hey.
Monotone, dude, that was so cringy. It was like, hey.
Oh my god, wasn't that deep? You sound like a fat emo chick, dude.
Shut up, dude. I'll cut into your voice.
Well, I'll be here.
Dude, you sound like a dump truck.
Fucking sound like a dump truck.
What was that laugh, dude? You sound like a dump truck. Every time you inhale, dude, you sound like a fucking Type 79 diabetic.
So I got a fucking type 79 and diabetes.
No, there's only 1 and 2.
The rolls are too much.
Dude, you sound like a fucking Harley Davidson from 1987. Jesus Christ, dude, you sound like a school shooter.
Thank you.
You're not even audible, don't talk. You just sound like a really creaky fucking bed spring, dude. Like someone's jumping on you. Dude. Stop talking, please.
Alright, what the fuck is this?
Dude. Yo. That's fire. Oh my god.
This is where I lost. Like I literally lost it.
Stop talking, dude. Yo. You sound like an anime girl, dude. Go listen to that the voice message.
This. This dude did not just say anime girl. Oh, I'm crying. Just so you know, guys, that was my blankets. I'm smacking.
Oh, you sound so cringe. Dude, you sound... Shut up. Shut up, dude. Go listen to your voice. Listen to yourself. Try to sound like an anime girl when you're recording and just brace yourself. Jesus Christ. You sound like you're cleaning a dry window.
I can't breathe.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. It's over. It's audible anticipation. That's what it is.
You ever stub your toe and then you're just like, yeah, I'm just walking over with my food.
Jesus, dude.
My stomach.
Make that the intro, dude.
Did you ever do that?
Oh my god, dude. Yes, dude.
Oh shit, dude.
That's just retracted into your body. I can't, dude. I can't, dude. Stop making fun of me, dude.
Oh, man.
Breaking my ears, dude. Stop.
Yo, break your fucking ears, motherfucker.
You sound like a cartoon mosquito. You do. You sound... Why are you clapping?
It's hard.
that sounds actually scary. That actually sounds like some shit out of a horror
Oh.
movie, dude. It sounds like you're taking an electronic underwater, dude. That's what it sounds like, dude.
When you go higher pitched, it goes even higher, like it exaggerates and stuff. When you go like,
Jesus Christ, dude. Oh my god. You just alerted all the dogs in like a 1 mile radius of my headset.
fucking front dog, there's like 20 dogs, there's very excited dogs.
What about this one?
It's just a lower pitch.
Do I sound like I want a fucking double cheeseburger?
You sound like a husky lesbian.
Yes! A husky lesbian,
You
Jesus!
sound like you have a thick neck. Oh my god, it's over.
Oh my god. Alright, what?
What about this one?
My mic turned off, but you sounded like a trailer park transformer. Just not going out there. Dude, when you laugh, it sounds raspy, dude. It's so terrible. It's like,
Dude, what do I sound like now? What?
oh my god.
What?
Oh my god. Oh, you sound like a fat ass e-girl, dude. I almost just had an aneurysm. Please listen to that. Can I send you a voice message?
I can't.
Send it so I can listen to it every day for the rest of my life and masturbate every night. Sound like every 11-year-old kid with a phase in their glantum.
Hey man, I was actually wondering if I could actually like come over to the Burger King drive-thru or some shit like that.
75-cent mic, dude.
Right? Like you're not gonna get good quality out of that.
You wanna hear me and my roommate argue over this voice changer?
Dude, let's go. The whole time you were arguing, this is all I heard. That's exactly what it sounded like. Like murder him, dude. All I heard was
Why is this so funny? It's just a guy. One more. There should be one more. I think it was this one.
Yo guys, in today's video I make my friend touch my piano wheeze so hard that he almost breaks his mic. I made a video just like this a few weeks ago and you guys have really enjoyed it, so here I am making another one. And also in this video, Touch My Piano's friend joins us and he's really good at singing opera. Me and Piano found it really funny because he's sang over a rapper's song. I'm not gonna say which one it is until you guys see in a few seconds, but it's hilarious. So drop a like.
I don't even know
rap.
rap.
20,000 likes for another one. You guys
Except for somewhat
Thank you guys so
Eminem.
much for all the support recently. We hit 800,000 subscribers. We're on the road to 1 million and I can't thank you guys enough, honestly. Let me know what you guys think I should do for 1 million subscribers. Leave a like on the video if you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys later.
I'll sing All My Friends Are Dead in opera by Lil Uzi.
Do it. He just has it on standby.
I know. He doesn't even know the words.
Holy shit, dude. That was fucking
Oh.
right there. That was sick.
Hey, Grandma, you in the shower?
Yeah.
Just imagine like an angry emo kid, open garage. Fuck you, neighbors!
I'm gonna pull out a knife on your arms. What do you think about that? Here's my switchblade. Yeah, you like that shit? Oh, yeah. Check it out. Check it out. Here it is. Oh, I almost dropped my knife on my dick. You wanna fucking die? Here's my switchblade. You like that shit?
How many face tattoos do you have?
7.
Oh, no.
I got like 20 teardrops dropping down my cheek.
All the way fucking down past your nipples, dude.
I have like 26 tears.
Wheeze inbound.
Oh! Enemy UA wheeze inbound. For some reason, with this headset, if I like wheeze and put the mic right up to my mouth, it goes.
He turned into a fucking wheeze alien, dude. Bro, you literally sound like the alien from Alien vs. Predator.
I know, dude.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado
Stop.
warning in your area. Take cover now.
Shit, it sounds so good. What is that?
Oh, it's me typing on my keyboard. I didn't even hear that. What the fuck?
It's like. Oh my god.
My ears. If I was
You can tell he's really trying to learn piano, like he's getting real frustrated.
What was that? Oh my god, it was so inaudible.
I'm playing the video of the emergency alert system, like, warning, and it started talking itself, so it was, like, double distorted.
It was that. What the fuck's going on in your house right now? Are you good? Everything's so undistorted. It's like.
Oh man, I'm dead.
It's so loud.
Hang on, let me do it again.
Holy shit. You're lying. You're lying.
I'm not, dude.
It's like. You're gonna trigger my PTSD, dude.
What other little subtle noises can I make? I'm gonna itch my leg.
Watch it be like.
It's gonna sound like I'm raking a carpet. That's what it's gonna sound like.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You're lying, man. You are not itching your leg, dude.
Yes, I was.
Just like.
Stop! You're making me laugh with your wheeze. Stop.
You're like itching your fucking leg skin off, dude. It's like. God help us all if you sneeze while that's on, dude.
What if I play the guitar over the walkie-talkie? Hold on, I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it.
You're listening to 102.9 country station or some shit and just play the guitar.
You're listening to 102.9, the Country FM.
I wanna go home. I wanna go home.
Today's top country hits.
Today's country hits. You're fucking Sandy on there from 2006, just in that SpongeBob episode.
Yeah.
Wait, who does it sound like when I play with my PS4 controller?
Jesus.
Jesus, dude.
Sounds like he's bringing a plate.
Falling on like a metal roof. It's like.
Oh my god! Whose wheeze is this, bro?
Nice!
Scotch tape. We're
I can't!
Christmas presents to ASMR. So here we go.
So loud. You actually have tape?
Yes, I actually have tape. So here we go. We're gonna be taping the Christmas presents.
Ear rape.
Sound like your old
If I was wearing
you
headphones.
just did 4 backflips.
Whose Christmas tree does backflips?
Fucking yours, apparently.
I am crying. I am actually not joking. I am actually crying. I will love to react to Best in Class more, guys. If you guys want me to react to Best in Class more, comment down below. Leave a like. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was... If I was wearing headphones, that'd be ear rape right there. Ah. Oh man, I am crying. Thank goodness it's so funny. Thank goodness I only watched it once. I reacted to all of those videos only once, and that was literally last night. It's just so funny. Like I said, guys. Oh, another thing. about the 60 subscriber special. Instead of just doing like a simple Q&A or something, how about this? You guys, that's right. You guys pick the video of me reacting or maybe some type of gameplay. Actually, no. The gameplay would be a little bit hard to do because you guys can like go whatever, but just no scary stuff, no sexual. I want nothing sexual. I want nothing scary. It could be any video, but scary and sexual. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at those two. It could be random, it could be funny, it could be cringy, it could be whatever. So 60 subscribers, 60 subscriber special. You guys get to pick the video. You guys will pick the video of what I'm gonna do, maybe what I'm gonna react to. I won't do the gameplay. I won't really do a gameplay because number one, I am at my dad's. And number two, I don't really have very many games, especially on my PS3, Wii U, and Xbox One. So, yeah, guys, so I won't be doing the Xbox, so I won't be doing gameplays as my 90 or 60 subscriber special, but I'm gonna say this again. I know I said it like 2 times already. You guys get to pick the video, what I'm gonna do. I won't do skits, but I will do like a reaction video. I will do a reaction video or maybe some type of other video, but nothing like a skit or a prank or something scary, something sexual. If you guys comment down below something I probably won't do, then I'll probably reply to you. I will reply to you that I won't really do that. I won't really do it because if it's a prank, I'm not doing that because I really do not want to get myself in trouble. I do not want my video to go wrong or anything. But anyways, guys, 60 subscribers, you guys get to pick. What am I going to do? We're going to find out. Peace out.